going on a picnic. I have 5 eggs here, so I am going to make 3 medium boiled eggs, and then the other 2 I'm going to make egg bites. So this egg bites, we need 2 eggs for this. So let's boil the eggs first. Let's check if we have any tuna left. I think we do in this one. Just need 1. Maybe this is a super simple tuna salad for the sandwich. Oh, the egg is cooked. Let's grab our picnic containers. I'll just slice this into bite-sized pieces so it's easier to eat at the park. Maybe like this, chink. Maybe I'll remove the outer part like that, so we can just use a fork. There you go. So I'll just slice the rest. So here's the tuna. I just need a mayonnaise and then salt. On the egg bites, we just need eggs, and I'm just using eggs, a cheese, and ham. I'm going to get ham and then cheese. I have some leftover ham here and then cheese. This is maple ham and then the Mexican style cheese. I'm just going to mix them together. A little bit of salt because the cheese is going to be salty, and then freshly cracked peppercorns, and then this ham, just 1 ham probably. And then let's mix this. And then cheese. And then just pour them here. Just mixing this thoroughly. Oops. Our egg bites. We just need to plug this. While our egg bites are cooking, let's go to the garden to harvest a cucumber for our tuna sandwich. This one, it's almost end of the season, but this should still be good. Oh. I made 2. I'm using this dark rye bread. Slice this bread first so it's easier to put in the cucumber. There you go. There you go. So here you go. It's ready. And then let's check on our eggs and let's prepare coffee too. Oh, look at that. Here are the egg bites. Let's make this like coffee. I'm using this like Starbucks cafe cassis yellow. This is what we are using recently. I'm just like brewing coffee. The coffee is like brewing. We got this from Springdale in Utah. So we have this, and then by the entrance of the Zion National Park. The microgreens here, and then I'm going to put a little bit of salt. My peppercorns, and then the microgreens. Our microgreens. And just cut some. Right here. And here are the soft-boiled eggs with microgreens on top. You see all the pears, they are like ripe, but they are up there. I could not reach them. We are here to harvest a pear. And this one is ready. I'll bring two. One. There you go. Let's use this for our picnic. This basket. And we're ready. Our picnic is ready. Let's wake up this little boy who requested for a picnic. Hi Josh, wakey wakey, it's picnic time.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, are you excited to picnic?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Hey Josh, let's go. Josh just is eating our basket.
Welcome to Malibu.
We're in Malibu now. It's 2.1 miles away from the bluff. I see the Philippine flag. There you go.
Malaysia too.
Where? There you go, right? The park is here, right across Pacific Coast Highway. Oh, it's busy now.
Hi.
I think that's a snake trail.
Yeah, that's a snake tree. Look at this one.
Yeah. Josh used to play there.
That here.
Yeah.
We have to go so we can get a spot, Josh. We can come back here. Perfect. Going to prepare our picnic. Hi Josh. Josh, the video outside. We have the sandwiches. We have the egg bites, the watermelon, the eggs, and the coffee. Here's our picnic. Pickled red onion, the eggs with soft-boiled eggs with microgreens, and then the sandwiches, the egg bites, and then the watermelon. Let's eat.
We're in Malibu.
So having a picnic. Which one would you like to eat first, Josh? Want to eat
Watermelon, watermelon.
Okay.
Me egg bites, egg bites.
Very fine, Mom.
Spain, I see Spain too. Do you see Spain?
Yeah.
Oh, the sandwich so good. You have to try it, Josh.
With cucumber that I took from the garden.
Let's try the egg bites with... Can I use this as a plate?
This is from our garden. I'm going to pretend this is a mini kitchen.
A mini kitchen, yeah.
That is too
Be
good.
careful, huh?
I will.
Except the ball.
Good job. Go. Steady. Go. There you go.
It's huge, Josh, no?
Oh!
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that's huge. I know. Oh, it's got... Oh. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, guys.
We walked
Yeah,
in
where?
search of rattlesnake.
JD and I did that too.
Did
We
you
walked-
find rattlesnake?
No?
But we walked up this steep way.
We did. We just walked on the trail. This is beautiful. Look at that. There's an auction over there. A painting auction. And I love this one. Look at this.